Rawar. Welcome to my channel Anytime Maths. In this video, we are covering the basic level of the probability. I heard this from many students that probability is a big problem for them. They face difficulty in this chapter. Why so? Because in probability, not only the formulas are useful, but also the logic, little visualization, presence of mind is also important. So, we are going to start with the basic level. Eventually, we will cover the difficulty level. Now, let's see what is probability. Probability is nothing but the chance or the possibility of the event happening. If I say I can live without oxygen, then what is the chance of this event? Zero. This is impossible. No one can live without oxygen, right? Chance is zero. So, probability of such impossible things is zero. Now, if I say a coin is tossed and it will fall, what is the probability of this? Small kid will tell you, it's of course, it's certain that coin will fall because of the gravity. For such certain things, probability is 1. Now, if I say tomorrow it will rain, then what is the chance? No one is sure that tomorrow it will rain, or no one is sure that tomorrow it will not rain. So for such uncertain event, what is the probability? Probability is 0 to 1. Okay. Now, if rainy season is going on, then there is a high chance that tomorrow it will rain. So probability is close to 1. Okay. And if I say the summer season is going on, then chance is low that tomorrow it will rain, right? So the probability of this event is close to 0. So from this we can say that probability always lies between 0 to 1. Always. For impossible things it's 0. For certain things it's 1. For uncertain it's 0 to 1. Now let's see how to find the probability of the event. Here I am taking one example. If a die is rolled, then what is the probability of getting a prime number on top? Okay. If a die is rolled, then what are the possible outcomes? See, it's a cube. 6 faces are there. So there are 6 outcomes. Either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Only these outcomes are there. There is no other outcome. If I roll this die 100 times, 200 times, I will get either of these numbers. So, set of all the possible outcomes is called sample space. And in this sample space, chance of getting 1 is same as chance of getting 2, is same as chance of getting 3, is same as chance of getting any number. So these elements are called equally likely elements. Okay. So these are total outcomes, but we are interested in finding the probability of getting a prime number. So out of this we are interested in only prime number. So out of these prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. So this is called the event. Now, what is the probability of getting this event out of this? Means, what is the probability of getting these numbers out of these? So, in this case, probability is, these are favorable outcomes. 3 are favorable outcomes out of 6 outcomes. Means, probability is 3 by 6, which is nothing but 1 by 2. So we can derive the formula for probability. Probability is nothing but total number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Right? So probability is, so this is nothing but total number of favorable outcomes means number of elements in the event So in this example, probability of getting prime number is half. See, probability is always less than 1 and greater than 0. Right? We got half. Now let's look at another example. Say if a coin is tossed, okay, it will fall. Then what is the probability of heads up, getting head? So what is our sample space in this case? Whenever we toss a coin, it will fall. Then what are the outcomes we get? Outcomes are either head, H for head, or tail, T. Only these two possibilities are there. There is no other possibility. So this is our sample space. Then out of these outcomes, what are our favorable outcomes? Head, right? So say A is an event of getting head. Simple. Then what is the probability of this event? So probability is nothing but total number of favorable outcomes out of total outcomes. So favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So in this case it is 1 by 2. So probability is half of getting head. Means what? Half of the times we will get head and half of the times we will get tail if we toss this coin. Let's look at this example. There are 4 balls, blue color, black, green and red color ball, and kept in this bag and well shuffled. If one ball is drawn, then what is the probability that it is a green color? That we have to find here. See, all these 4 balls are kept in this bag. If I draw one ball, then what is the outcome I will get? So what are my total outcomes? Sample space. I will get either blue or black or green or red. Only these 4 options I will get, right? So either blue or black or red or green. These are the 4 possibilities. See, outcomes here are equally likely. There is an equal chance of getting blue ball, equal chance of getting black, red or green. Out of these outcomes, what are our favorable outcomes? Say, event B is nothing but getting a green color ball. If I pick one ball, then it is a green color. Then in this, my event, what is the probability of this event? That we have to find. So probability here is total number of favorable outcomes out of total number of outcomes. So favorable outcomes are 1 out of 4 outcomes. So probability is 1 by 4. This is easy, right? Finding the probability of these simple examples are easy. Hope you understood the concept and liked this video. Thank you everyone.